December 25, Mayroon na ng Film Festival. Hope to see you guys. But, okay, anyway, we're happy. Well, I'm happy to have had this chance to speak with you guys. It's new media. It's the wild, wild west still. You are not answerable to anyone but your readers and yourself. We are happy that we see brilliant young people moving on and writing about the world. But also, I don't know if you guys are old enough or young enough to have seen Why Speak.
Yes.
Yeah, we always espouse responsibility by the media. I'd like to congratulate you guys for finding careers as bloggers. You know, 10 years ago, if you spoke about a career as a blogger, labo, di ba? But you guys are living your dream. Congratulations on that. And may you continue to live your dream. And also, may you remain like this gusto for the truth, for the stories, you know, that are interesting, without pandering to anything less than what your imagination dictates, no? So maraming salamat for attending this, and we hope to see you in the coming days in other projects. Sana mabasa ko yung vlog ninyo. Ito ba yung tipong pag ginugel, we can lalabas? Kasi may mga gano'n, di ba? So I hope to follow your vlogs, not just for this project, but in the future. I'd like to read your stuff. And please keep that fire going. Congratulations on living your dream and continue to live it well. Thank you.